Hello there, Aussie meat pies. This is what they look like. And here's the recipe for my vegan ones. The first step is to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit, and then defrost some shortcrust and puff pastry. Heat the oil in a pot over medium heat, and then once warm, add in the diced onions and cook while stirring for 5 minutes. Now add in the garlic, tomato paste and flour, give that a stir and cook for a couple of minutes. Now we add in the textured vegetable protein or TVP, give that a stir and then pour in the vegan stock. I'm using beef flavoured. Season with pepper, give it all a stir and then place the lid on and simmer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare your shortcrust pastry base. Cut it into circles, grease the trays and then place the pastry in the base and all the way around the sides up to the edge. And then we're going to blind bake, which means cook just the pastry for 10 minutes. Turn the heat off and remove the lid to allow the meat mixture to begin cooling. And once the pastry cases have been blind baked, fill with the meat mixture. Now we prepare our pastry lid. We're using puff pastry, cut it into a circle, lay it over the top, trim the excess, and then press it together. And then you can seal it with a fork around the outside and then make some holes for the steam. Brush the pastry with some plant milk so it gets golden in the oven and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. They're ready once golden brown on top, and they will look just like this. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. There's more of my vegan recipe videos linked here.